Hello everyone, how are you? This is me Toufic Ahmed and you are watching Learn with Toufic Ahmed YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how to import and export a Pagefly or GM page. Pagefly only. This video is only according to the Pagefly page builder. So in this video, I will show you how to import and export Pagefly template on your Shopify store using Pagefly page builder. And these pages or templates only goes with Pagefly page builder. Okay, so if you are my customer on my template or me in my buy me a coffee shop or anywhere, so you can get this template or this the tutorial for you, and how can you upload the template on your Shopify store or Pagefly after buying my template or purchasing my template. So let's start the video. So look, I am in my Shopify store. Look, this is the I think this is my product templates. Okay, so let's at first we have to download Pagefly page builder. So I will refer a link to you, so you can download Pagefly page builder from the link. So check the link in the description below, in the video description. So after purchasing my template, or after you have, if you have any template or you want to export or import, just go to Pagefly page builder, then pages. Okay, then look, there is two options: import and export. What does it mean? At first, what is import? Import, it means that if you have any templates already, you have buy it from anywhere or from me or anywhere else, so only with a dot pagefly. Okay, the extension is dot pagefly, something like serum dot pagefly template. Okay, so you can just click on import. Just click like this, go to any your template. Like I have my template serum products dot pagefly. Okay, just click on it, open. Okay, I understand images will not be imported. So images can't be imported. Please re-upload your images to add it to imported pages later. So after your imported pages, you import your template, the images can be uploaded. Okay, so you have to add customly or from your own. Okay, so just click on import, and this is the product template. So for this, you have to assign a product, because this is unpublished now, so it is uploaded. So just click on it and assign. Look, there is a page assignment here. Just click on it and browse your product. Like I have serum, like I have a product, just I am selecting this. Okay, now it's assigned to this page. Okay, now if I save it, I am not publishing it. If you click publish, it will be published. I am just previewing it. Look, the template is fully responsive. Look, fully responsive. If I delete this and just go to there again, inspect, setting, sorry, not setting. Okay, check, it is fully responsive, mobile responsive, tablet responsive. No hesitation to customize. Just change your text, your images, and your contents. Okay, your product. Okay, at first let me show you that if you need this high converting template, who are new to my channel, and those who have purchased my templates, so I have already shown them that how to import pages on Pagefly. Okay, and if you want to convert this template on like a landing page, so you can delete this product section, or you can move this product section to down, just dragging this. Okay, like drag there under this. Okay, it will automatically goes. And if you go to the page setting, what do you want, like product page you want or home page to convert it, just click on it and save. So it will be automatically convert into product page, collection page, or password page. Okay, I'm just left I am leaving it. Okay, so if you need the if you're new to my channel, if you have a small business on Shopify, if you're just starting, so you need a low budget, if you have low budget configuration, low budget small business, so you can purchase my template and start your business journey. Okay, so a product page is so much important for a business. And if you have any beauty or like this type of business, like I have two templates now. So aroma or gem pages template, this type, like this is a air freshener template. Let's check the demo. This is from gem pages template. Okay, let's take the demo. Okay, this is the gem pages, made in gem pages. This is the air freshener. This is the high converting product landing page. So if you need this type of high converting with sticky add to cart, and this is the beauty product page, and this is a multi-millionaire product, I mean multi-million making product page. So there is so much social proof, the benefit sections, the testimonials with the high quality designs, with a featured in, you can add brand images here for more proof and to keep customers hooked up. And this is the high quality product image or product variant here. So you can just change a variant from your Shopify store. It will automatically dynamically change. There is a add to cart calling. There is subscribe now. For this you can get the customers email data, I mean data. So for this you can purchase my template just only for $30, not $30. There is a if you go there, and there is a I mean, like, wait, save change. I am showing you. It's a, there is a free gift here. I mean, if I go to view page, if you purchase my templates, like, go to shop here. Like, if you need like serum, okay, just I'm showing you. Let's go to another browser, copying it, pasting it. Okay, look, I am in another browser. So if I need just click that $30, enter a fair price, like I'm giving 50 or 30. Okay, the base price is 30. Just click on add to cart, and look, there is a discount code here. I check the description below, and I mean the video, in the video there is a description, and there is a discount code just beside the link of the buy me a coffee. You can support me here by purchasing my template and you start your business. Just type winter and click apply. Boom, you are only this template is only for 15, and this is a limited time offer. So I am requesting you, and I am just referring you to buy my template and start your business today. So with this high converting templates with 4 to 5 figure conversion templates, conversion making templates, so just give your information, and with this winter promo code, and get your templates. So thank you for watching this video. And if you have learned that how to import and export page. Oh, sorry, I have just I didn't show you that how to export pages. Okay, let's show you. Let me see you show you. Like, I have this template, any template of Pagefly. Just click select. You can select multiple. Okay, I'm just showing you with one piece, I mean just one. Click on export, and it will be automatically export. Where? Check your folder or my PC. Look, here it will be, and you can just import again. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, you can support me on buying me a coffee, or like this video, or you can chat me one by one, I mean one on one. There is my Gmail. You can contact me if you have any service related topic conversation you want to talk with me, or if you have you can chat with me, okay, directly. Okay, if you have any issues. So thank you for watching this video. Hope we will see in another video. We will meet in another video with another tutorial. Thank you for watching this video.
Ooh.